Hello, in this video you'll learn how to use ready-made text templates in CapCut, a complete guide for beginners. First, drag your video onto the editing timeline. Next, go to the text tab. Here you'll see a section called text template, means text templates. Open it, choose any template you like. Say I like this one. Click the plus sign and it will appear on the editing timeline and on your video. Note: you can edit the duration of this template's appearance on the video by increasing its length. Right here in this area. The shorter it is, the less time it's visible, and the longer it is, the longer it stays on video. So let's say we need to edit it. Go to the text tab on the right and enter the text you want. You can also adjust the length and width of the template by dragging its edges. Let's carefully drag it over here and then see precisely what we've got by smoothly switching to the full screen mode. Click play. My adorable cat Kitty Love. There you go, we've now got a truly great and versatile template that you can easily edit and customize. Thank you all for watching. Leave a like.